Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the history of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effects or any other drug related problem. It plays crucial role in ensuring the safety of pharmaceutical product after they have been approved and are available in the market. In that first one is the early development. In pre 1960, the concept of monitoring the safety of medicine can be traced back to ancient time, when observations were made about the effects of certain plant and substances. However, the formal pharmacovigilance began to take shape in mind in 20th century, particularly after the thalidomide tragedy in late 1950s and early 1960s. Thalidomide, a drug used to treat morning sickness in the pregnant woman. It lead to severe birth defects. These incidents highlight drug used to treat morning sickness in the pregnant woman. It lead to severe birth defects. These incidents highlight need for the systematic monitoring of a drug safety. In 1960 to 1970, the thalidomide diester prompted regulatory agencies and pharmaceutical companies to implement more systematic approaches to the adverse drug event reporting. Countries started to establish pharmacovigilance program and international collaboration began to share information about adverse drug reaction. In 1980s to 1990, the World Health Organization, that is WHO, plays a significant role in advancing pharmacovigilance on a global scale. In 1968, the WHO established the International Drug Monitoring Program, which aimed to collect and analyze data on adverse drug reaction from different countries. This lead to creation of the WHO Collaborating Center for International Drug Monitoring in Uppsala, Sweden. The adverse reaction terminology was developed to standardize reporting. In 2000, with the advancement of the technology and increased globalization, the pharmacovigilance efforts have expanded further. Regulatory agencies such as the US Food and Drug Administration and the European Medicine Agency have developed comprehensive reporting system and databases. The advent of electronic health records, social media, and other digital platforms has facilitated the capture and analysis of safety data. Next is the signal detection and risk assessment. Pharmacovigilance involves continuous monitoring of safety data to detect signals, which are potential safety concerns associated with a specific drug. Signal detection involves statistical analysis of large databases to identify unusual patterns or clusters of adverse events. Once a signal is detected, further investigation and risk assessment are conducted to identify unusual patterns or clusters of adverse events. Once a signal is detected, further investigation and risk assessment are conducted to determine the severity and likelihood of the potential risk. Next is the regulation and guidelines. Regulatory agencies around the world have established guidelines and regulation to ensure the safety of drugs. These include requirement for reporting adverse event, conducting post-marketing studies, and communicating safety information to the healthcare professionals and the public. Next is the global collaboration. The International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceutical for Human Use has developed guidelines on pharmacovigilance practices to ensure consistency and harmonization across different regions. Pharmacovigilance continues to evolve as a new drugs are developed and introduced to the market. It plays a crucial role in safeguarding public health by identifying and managing potential risks associated with the pharmaceutical product. That's all about the history of the pharmacovigilance. Thank you.